Welcome back, guys. Today I'm inspecting and cleaning the spark plug on my Beta Rare 50. Let's see its condition after 600 kilometers and let's clean it up. Let's go, boys.
Oh shit. Look, bad plug. GKR BR9S. Too much bad plug. How many kilometers? I think 620 maybe. Wait, let me check. Oops. Yeah, 620. Very bad. I need to clean this shit. I found this cup and this my old toothbrush, so I can clean this surface very easily. So I'm going to add some petroleum white. It's like, oh dude, what the fuck. Don't worry, my neighbor is doing something. So put inside like this. Wait some few minutes so we can clean this like this, like my teeth. I can't do it in one hand, so I can use my foot. Don't damage this middle part, so you can be carefully clean the inside. So sometimes it's morning, it's really hard to start my bicycle, so I think this is the problem. Last week I changed my oil. I So I think that is the my first service. So I think this is the problem was the starting. So later 600 kilometers. So I decided to check my plug. It's it is normal. So this is the two-stroke bike. So this is the normal. But by any chance, you can clean like this. And next service you can change the spark plug. Don't worry. I think it's almost clean. So let's put back in. Very slowly. Don't cut your thread. So like this. Okay, it's going down slowly. So okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's put back in this. It's little bit hard. First time you taking this off this clip. So I think yeah, you good.
Nice.
Okay. Now put this back in my horn clip. I just remove it because I need a little bit space. So I think we done. Let's start my bike. Let's check everything working fine. So wait.
Hope you enjoy the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and turn notification on for more beta 50 videos. So thank you for watching. Peace out.